Hello, work-life warriors. I hope you're doing well. Today, I just wanted to come and talk to you about play and why play is so important. We work so hard, but we rarely play. Play is a way that we can help reduce stress and cortisol in our body. It's also a biological need. So just like food, sleep, and sex, play is it has an internal drive, and we need to play in order to feel satisfied and happy and to increase our quality of life. So regardless of what people think about your form of play, go back to the type of play you used to do as a child when you used to enjoy yourself and play for hours. You will look up and it's time to go to bed, and you will go to sleep excited, for tomorrow, and you will wake up excited. That's the type of satisfaction and joy and happiness you deserve. So go out of your way to play and put it back in your life. Have more spontaneous play along with more planned play so that you can really get the best out of life and de-stress and work as hard as you play. I hope this helps, work-life warriors. Have a great day.